This is how to replace the lower control arms on a Saab 9.3. This is a 2002. So you take a 17, take the wheel off, jack the car up, put it on jack stands. You're gonna take this off, which is the lower control arm. You use an 18 to take the ball joint off, which goes right here. And then you're gonna need a T55 to disconnect the rear control arm that connects to the lower control arm. And then to disconnect the sway bar end link, you're gonna need a 13. And then up here, you will need a swivel socket, like so, in order to get up in there to disconnect the lower control arm from the subframe. There's the space that you're working with. You should spray some sort of penetrating oil on all the bolts prior to doing this work. And let's see, that goes like so. So you first start by doing the ball joint, then you do the T55, then you do the sway bar end link, and then you remove it from the chassis, and then reverse that exact process and put it back on. Okay, the ball joint has been disconnected by using a pickle fork once you take the nut off the top. The T55 has been removed, as you can see. It slides in through there. The sway bar end link disconnected. Both of those are right there. And the lower control arm where it mounts to the K-member has been unbolted as well by that. So all we have to do now is tap this out from the right. As you can see, they disconnected there and it just falls right out. All right, time to install the new one. Okay, that's installed. Just gotta put the tire on and go get it aligned.